Hey guys, so today we'll be building automatic honey farm. So this is the farm. There's an indicator which tells when the honey is full, and here's the uh, area where the honeys are. There's the beehive, and how this farm works is the bees will pollinate the flowers that will go into the beehive. See, one came out. They go to the beehive after pollinating the flowers, and then when the beehive is full of the honey, the comparator here throws out the signal. When it's fully filled, the signal goes to the dispenser, and the dispenser throws a bottle on the beehive. The beehive from the honey is taken out from the beehive into the bottle, and the bottle is thrown again at the dispenser. Now what happens is that the honey bottle is taken out from the dispenser through a sorting system into the chest. Okay, then from the chest, and there's an indicating system as I told you before. When these all the lights will like glow, then the system would start. Okay, so now what do you need to build this farm? So these are all the materials you need. You need some redstone. These are not the exact amounts, so you need some redstone, 4 bottles of honey. This is exact, and then some waste material, 64 blocks of some waste material. Then you need some hoppers, and then you need 7 repeaters. You need 2 compactors. You need some dandelions. You don't need trapdoors. You need chests. You need some building block. Then you need some lamps. You need some grass blocks. Exactly 9 grass blocks. You can also use dirt. That's not necessary. And then you need some redstone torches. Only one exactly. Then some glass to cover the thing, then some bees and a dispenser, and either of the beehive or the bee nest. Okay, I'll just collect everything up and then we will build it. So first we will be building the sorter system. So how we will build the sorter system is first build 3 blocks up, and then this block 1 2 3, done 3 blocks, and then 1 block here, 1 block here, and then 1 block from here. Okay, then what we need to do is take our comparator, place it here, do redstone dust, take the repeater, put it here, and then take the torch. 1 second, we have the torch, place the torch here. Done, our sorting system is done. Now we need to uh, 1 second, just place it like this. Take your hopper, place it like this. It should be placing this way. See, this way. It should not be placing down, otherwise the system won't work. Place another one below it and then remove it. Now place a chest in which you will be storing the your honey bottles, and then remove this. Now what we need to do is go to the this hopper, and then first place all of your waste blocks, 64 blocks, place them. Now they will start emptying themselves, and now place the 4 bottles in here. Okay, now it will keep on removing the blocks. We have to wait until it does so. Then we have to switch the places of this honey bottle and this stone blocks, and done. Now what we need to do is now our sorting system is done. Now it won't uh, transfer the normal bottles, but only the honey bottles. Now we can place the dispenser above it. I'll just place it 1 second. We place the dispenser above it. We'll come here and then we will place a dispenser facing in the direction of the comparator, and then we need a bee nest or beehive. I'll take beehive, it looks better, I think, and it has been placed. Okay, so now what we need to do is uh, take in the input from the beehive. There's a comparator attached to the beehive. Okay, it's like this. Now it's connected to the beehive. Then we need to place 5 blocks, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and then we need to put redstone on all of them. Then we need to then we will construct the indicating system, which will indicate how much the process has been completed. Just place the repeaters like this, and then just like this. Once again, done, done. Okay, like this. And then you have to place the blocks on the opposite side of the dispenser. Okay, this dispenser, and the opposite side you will place the repeaters. Then the blocks like this, and then you will take the lamp and place them here. Done. So now what you need to do is when the this redstone glows, we will connect a repeater to it, and then we will connect this and join it here, and then we have to connect this to the dispenser like this. Okay, like this. Then we just need to connect the redstone. That's all. That's all. Now our we have almost done the system redstone part. Now we just need to place the grass and just close it. So here's the grass. Now from the bee nest we need to get three 3 by 3 array kind of thing. Done. Now I'll just cover this up. Yeah. Now we need to just cover all of this up. You can also use glass, you can also use solid blocks, it's up to you. It's the design part now. So I'll place the glass now. Okay. You can make it as high as you want, but 2 is enough. You don't need to go higher. And done. So now you need to place the flowers. Just place the flowers. And put the some glass bottles as much as you want. Wait. Put some glass bottles in the dispenser, and you will see that they are not flowing down, even though there's a hopper beneath them. Beneath it, it's not, the bottles are not flowing down because we have a sorting system which only allows the honey bottles to go pass through the thing. Okay, and then now we just need to put in the honeybees. I have the eggs. You need to go to the finder beehive, bee nest, and then attract the bees into this chamber. Okay, I'll just take the egg and put the bees inside. 1 second. We need 3 bees. No more than 3 bees are actually required because the beehive can only take maximum 3 bees in it. So no more are required. And the this is built now. Now as you can see, this one lamp is lighting, and slowly they will pollinate. Something would change in them, and then they will go into the beehive. like they just went, and then they will create some honey, and these lights will glow. Like we have to wait for it to happen. And yeah, that's it. So this was the one which I built. I just decorated it somewhat. It's the same thing. So thank you guys for watching the video, and it has not grown until it. I was waiting for it to glow. Okay, anyway, thank you guys for watching the video, and please subscribe and like. And now if you want to go and build it, you can go and build it. I'll just wait for 5 minutes. It will take time. Okay guys, thank you. I'm ending the video. Bye.